Prescription-only drugs are being sold online to potentially vulnerable patients. That's according to a BBC Panorama investigation. The healthcare regulator in England, the Care Quality Commission, has called for a change in the law in response to the documentary. It revealed a legal loophole allowing companies based abroad to sell medication to patients in the UK. Faye Kirkland, who's also a GP, has this report.
With the help of volunteers, Panorama went shopping for prescription-only medications. Eleanor was treated for anorexia when she was a teenager and is now completely well. She bought 3 months' worth of prescription slimming pills from an online doctor site. She filled out a questionnaire giving a false medical history and was asked no questions about contacting her GP.
I've got so many diet pills here, and if I'd still been in the depths of my illness, it would have been so dangerous for me. Literally a massive box of them.
Eleanor is not overweight, and had she seen a GP face-to-face, she wouldn't have been prescribed these drugs.
I'm horrified to see some of those sites that you showed me, to see that you click on the drug first and then you go through the consultation. This isn't right, it's not safe, it has to be sorted.
The site can't be regulated by the Care Quality Commission because the prescribing doctors were contracted by a company outside England. I tracked it down in Romania. It's called EuroRx and its current registered address is a flat in Timișoara. It's 50% owned by Julian Eden. He used to be a doctor until he was struck off in 2009 for what was described as cavalier prescribing. Posing as investors, Panorama met him undercover.
And I'm fed up with this level of regulatory body. Work in Europe.
Panorama has discovered that several UK-based online doctor sites avoid CQC inspection by using doctors contracted by Romanian companies.
As a GP, it makes me very angry that patients are put at risk. And as a regulator, it actually makes me even more certain that we need to try and get the legislation changed so that people can't just bypass our regulatory activities.
The Department of Health and Social Care says it's working with the CQC to improve patient safety. Julian Eden told Panorama he's never sought to evade CQC oversight and that his shareholding in EuroRx is a sensible business investment. Faye Kirkland, BBC News.
And you can watch Faye Kirkland's full investigation in Panorama Online Doctors Uncovered. It's on BBC One tonight at 8:30. In Wales, you can watch it at 10:40.